forecast first from Fox 11 meteorologist Phil DeCastro.
It was another blustery day across northeast Wisconsin, and it was a little bit chillier as well. Temperatures yesterday taking a tumble from the highs today. We only got up into the 20s, and it looks like another tumble on the way for tomorrow. Let's take a look at your forecast first. The highs only going to be getting into the teens, which is right about where we're sitting right now. Temperatures are going to be dropping into the single digits for your overnight lows, mid-single digits. Clear skies, mostly clear skies anyway, going to help us along to those temperatures, rising again back up into the upper teens, but the wind's still going to be with us, so it's going to be just kind of a raw, chilly day for tomorrow. Other than the breezy winds, though, it's going to be very quiet, just mostly sunny conditions, so severe weather index is in the low category, but yeah, it's going to be getting colder for Sunday, and then perhaps another shot of colder yet air moving in the middle portions of the coming work week. Here's your lows again for tomorrow. Going to be starting out in the single digits, mid-single digits for most places. Should be staying above zero. Highs, though, tomorrow, again, only back up into the upper teens, perhaps only low teens as you move far north and west away from Green Bay. The winds out of the west to northwest, they're going to be helping to reinforce that cold air. You see those blue arrows there. The bigger they are, the stronger the winds, and when they're at about that length, that's a pretty stiff breeze, about 10 to 20 miles per hour. That's what we've been seeing today. We'll continue to see that tonight, as well as for most of the day tomorrow. But again, you see the skies there staying fairly clear, so at the very least, it should be a bright day. Right now, skies are fairly clear as well. 16 in Green Bay, 15 Shawano, only 7 in Anago, 14 in O'Connell along the lakeshore, a bit milder, 19 in Manitowoc and in Sheboygan right now. But with the winds popping up 10 to 20 miles per hour, those wind chills down in the low single digits, so it'll be feeling a little bit colder than it is. Not expecting the wind chills to be down to any dangerous readings, but certainly feeling chillier than it actually is. Here's a look at our satellite and radar. Not much going on there. Some snow still hanging around parts of the upper peninsula as well as northern and lower Michigan. Big area of low pressure pinwheeling off to our north, and combined with a ridge of high pressure off to our southwest, that's funneling that cold air in from the northwest, keeping it in place for us, and is going to continue to drop our temperatures off through the next couple of days. You can see temperatures have dropped 5 to 10 degrees off to our northwest, so that colder air still filtering in even to places that are colder than we are right now. It's a sign that that air mass is turning over a little bit. So here's a wider look at that in our future track. Those arrows, again, fairly big right now, so that's indicating those stronger winds, but sky's nice and clear through the day tomorrow. I think Monday we'll see some more clouds, a partly cloudy day, maybe a couple of flurries as we work into Monday night on into Tuesday morning. But after that point, temperature's going to be dropping a bit more. Look at the extended forecast in a second. 5 for your low tonight. For tomorrow, 18 degrees for your high temperature, and then Monday, partly cloudy. A bit cooler yet, 15 degrees for the high. But then after that disturbance moves in on Tuesday, or moves past anyway, with a couple flurries with it. Wednesday, a high of only 9. Colder yet for Thursday, a high of 3, 6 for your high on Friday. So very, very cold air moving in the middle toward the end of next week. Not the coldest blast of air that we've seen this winter, that's for sure. At least we'll be getting above zero for your highs. But after seeing highs up in the 30s this past week, it's going to be a bit of a shock to your system. That's for sure. It's going to be
tough. It was feeling pretty nice out there.
I know. A little bit of a teaser. Moving closer to March. Oh, it might be getting warmer.
Not so much.
Not so much.
Thanks,
Phil.